Welcome back to the channel. In today's beginner-friendly tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the time zone in TradingView step by step. If you're completely new to TradingView, don't worry. I'll explain everything in the simplest way possible. Your chart's time zone affects when candles open and close, how sessions appear, and how you track daily highs and lows. So setting the correct time zone is very important. Let's get started. First, open TradingView and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, click on the Chart section to open a full chart view. Now, look at the bottom right corner of your chart. You'll see the current time displayed there. Right next to it, you'll see the time zone, such as UTC or a specific city. Click directly on the time at the bottom right. A time zone settings window will appear. Here, you'll see different options. You can choose Exchange Time Zone, which matches the time zone of the market you're trading, or you can choose a specific time zone based on your country or city. If you want your chart to match your local time, simply search for your city or select your country's time zone from the list. Once you select the correct time zone, click OK or simply close the window. Your chart will instantly update and all candle times will adjust accordingly. Now, your sessions, daily candles, and intraday charts will align with your selected time zone. If you want to make sure this setting stays saved, click on Layout at the top of the screen and choose Save. And that's it. That's how you change the time zone in TradingView, step by step. Setting the correct time zone can improve your accuracy, especially if you trade session-based strategies. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple and beginner-friendly TradingView guides. I'll see you in the next one.